Testing and go ahead and go for it.
Perfect. Sweet, thanks.
Go on.
Is that your Mickey tour?
Yes, this is all. Yeah, it's all school.
Here.
Robert's.
My group doesn't suck.
Is actually doing something there.
Okay, so it's gonna get me. Oh my gosh, why can I not hear this? Oh,
Is Ursema coming in?
Can you hear me?
I can't hear Debbie's people. What the heck? I don't need to know.
So what the heck? Where?
Going on?
She just left. All right, can you invite people? Can we invite people on here? Or does the host have to? Oh, there you go. Okay.
Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Thank you. I don't know why I couldn't hear anything that was going on, so I had to just leave it and then. Okay. Okay. Let me. Let's message Ursema and see what's going on. Matt, do you have the right email address for Ursema?
She not access.
Okay, so sorry about that, guys.
No, you're good.
I've said Charisma like I don't know. I'm sorry. I just don't know why it's not going through to her. It's the same process every time.
Let's see what she does this time to join. Because it was on right?
What was that?
It was on her end the last time when she joined. It was because of something she did, correct? Or was it?
Yeah, so I think what I ended up coaching her to do is just check her Gmail.
Mm-hmm.
And because on your Gmail, there's your main inbox and then there's like your update inbox. So the invitation doesn't always show up right there. So like, I'm pretty sure it's in her Gmail. I don't know why it's not popping up on her Google Hangouts.
Let's see. Oh, she's like, hello. Okay.
Oh, she's in.
Oh, there you are. Yay.
What happened?
I have no idea. What did you do?
It kept saying, "You're about to join Google Hangouts. Please wait."
Okay, well,
Oh, it keeps doing that. Sorry about that.
it's all good. So
Okay.
should we start?
Alrighty. Yeah, let's do it. So I just sent everybody an invitation for another Google drawing because it says something about a sketch the layer/structures in the rocks. I'm
Okay.
assuming we have to like draw something.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
yeah, I'm not exactly sure what exactly like sketch like the layers and structures in the rocks. I haven't like read the entire chapter, but I was kind of glancing over it. I guess what that means for chapter 8.
So are we supposed to just copy and paste that picture and then do our own hold on 1 second. And then do our own drawings on it?
That's a good idea. Maybe sketch those structures in the rocks. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if we'll,
Let's do that.
here, I'll put the image on.
Okay, perfect.
See if
'Cause
it'll
I
let me.
I have
There we
the
go.
information about all the questions that
Wow.
were from the textbook, so we can refer to that just in case some of us haven't completed the reading for this week.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna try to make this. Yeah.
I actually did already the reading. I don't know how much of an expert I'll be on it, but I'm still trying to pull up sorry, I'm just a little late. I'm pulling up the group project right now.
You're fine.
You're good. Yeah, I did a little bit of the reading. I understand what's asking for define the types and define what kind of, if it's compression. I understand that. I'm just a little bit confused about the sketch and the layers and stuff.
Right.
So, but okay.
No, sorry, keep going.
No, I was going to say, but I think what you were saying is that, yes. So if we take the picture, I put it on the Google drawing, and then I guess we just take the layers and the structures in the rocks and kind of maybe like either point them out or just kind of draw them on.
I'm not sending you to my portfolio.
Yeah, I think we could do something, just kind of draw over the picture,
Okay,
each of the questions.
I'll hurry and snip it on there.
Oh, I think I already put it on there.
Oh, did you? Sorry.
Yeah.
Pay
Is
attention,
everybody
sorry.
looking at my Google drawing?
Yeah.
Should we get it
Okay.
bigger?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's make it bigger. I was thinking of also putting down, it says like define this type. So like what type we're going to define it as and decide if it's compression, tensional, like on the side. But yeah, we can make it bigger. That's fine.
Is that okay like that?
Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that'll be easier to draw.
So what do we draw?
You have to find the layers and sketch the layers/structures in the rocks. So
let's-
when go ahead.
Sorry, I keep cutting you off. You go.
No,
you-
no, you're good. I was just thinking that like here, I'll draw something. I'm thinking it's like these like something like these lines that you kind of see right here.
That's what I was
Yeah.
gonna say.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's something like that.
Cause you got the one that starts with an S, the one that starts with an A. I forgot it's what is that called? Let me pull up the reading.
Yeah, it was called.
No.
Hold on, I can't remember it either. Let me pull. I have the reading right here too.
So on a completely different note, we have a midterm and an exam. Like those are two different things, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool and fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
What? What's the difference? Is the exam gonna be on like a specific chapter, and the midterms on like the past couple chapters or whatever?
Yeah, I think the midterms from like the very beginning to now,
Yeah.
and then the exam. I think it's like kind of like the other exam before, like a few chapters.
You do it on the same week.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe he had a deadline or something. I don't know. Yeah. Are we recording right now? Yeah.
Yeah, this has been
Yes.
recording. We're good.
Okay.
Probably not.
Sorry.
So
Confusing.
So we have 2 right now.
2,
Tests.
yeah, this week on Saturday, the midterm and then the test for the last 3 weeks of worth of material.
Oh,
oh
Are you
shoot,
drawing
I
right
didn't
on
mean
the
that.
picture, or
I'm gonna do this red.
Okay, did we figure out which what that was called?
I'm
The
pulling up the
layers and
textbook
structures?
right now.
Okay,
Stratification.
okay.
are we drawing right on the picture, or are we drawing a picture of the picture?
I think we're just gonna draw right on the picture.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, he never specified, so
Yeah.
I think it's a good idea.
Well, while we're doing that, I can let's see if it'll allow us. Is it text box? Yeah. Okay.
and
Sure,
then
I'll
do
do
we
that.
just say what each of them
What,
mean?
Yeah.
what
So I
chapter
was
are we in again? Is it-
chapter 8 and 10.
Okay, that's right.
So I was doing a little bit of the reading. I watched the video too about brittle and ductile. I think that this rock or this mountain, whatever, would be more ductile or ductile.
Right.
However you pronounce it. Yeah. Just because it looks like that it's been shaped. It's not like brittle, like how they're showing the video.
Right. So there's not like breaks. It looks more like bends and folds rather than like rigid, hard.
Yeah.
Say it's
That's
folded,
what I thought too.
Right. so it's more ductile.
Right.
Is it
That's
ductile or ductile?
I said ductile just because,
That's fine.
but I don't think it matters.
Yeah.
Jeez, I did the video.
Yeah.
So, Colin, you're answering number 2, right?
Yeah. So I put stretch. There you go. Yeah. So I put ductile. Doesn't show brittle qualities, but rather more ductile. You can see how the rocks look stretched. I feel like.
And folded.
Yeah. Let's see if I can make the font a little bit bigger.
Are there questions on the BYU page?
Yeah, they're under the group project for this week. The
Okay.
group activity.
Thanks.
Cool.
Um,
And then, oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No, you got it.
Okay, and then so decide if it's compression, tensional, or translational stress, and why. I was thinking it's more of stress, translational stress, just by the kind of the same thing I was mentioning, like with the, you can clearly see these. Oh, why is it black again?
Isn't the
Okay.
compressional is like it looks more like a triangle, right?
Yeah.
And then the tensional is like a slip, and then the transitional is like the curvature, correct?
Let's see. Which one again?
The third question.
How do rocks deform? Okay.
You don't know.
So
I'm trying to remember the 3.
yeah, there's they had a list. Where's the list? It's in. Faults.
Compression, tensional, translational.
I know, that's so easy to do now.
Decide compressional, tensional, transitional stress, and why. So is that we're on the third one? Is that what we're going on? Right now?
Yeah,
What?
there's the list. They had how do rocks deform? Is this one?
I think you can find it on 10.2.
10.2.
I was looking for the details, but there's like the brittle deformation. No.
Let's see.
Oh, and 10. Hold on. I think it was 10.4.
10-4.
Let's just
I
talk
think,
about
let me see.
Yep.
Because it was 8.1 through 8.4, 10.1 through 10.5. Those were our exact readings.
Yeah. I
Oh.
just saw it.
what I was looking at, and I was wrong. I was looking at the what's it called? Let me see.
Oh no, this is the rocks that deform stress. Okay, yeah, here it is. It's 10.1. So there's compressional stress, tensional stress, shear stress. So wait,
There we go. Yep, you're right.
Yeah.
yeah,
So
shear stress is what I was thinking. What it would be.
differential stress can also cause a rock to shear, which involves the movement of one part of the rock body. 10.3. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not confining pressure.
Right. Compression is the
Apply the VRIO framework.
tension
to
shear.
in series romance fiction.
Because shear's got like, if you look at the picture, shear's like that wavy kind of, it's going from two different sides. Like it's going two different ways.
The S curve, yeah. Strain.
I mean,
So, sorry, what were you going to say, Matt?
no, go ahead.
Well, when he's asking between the three, compression, tensional, or translational, which one does shear fit under again? Isn't it translational?
Well, let's see. Define is compression, tensional,
Or
or
translation.
translation. I think translational is also shear stress.
Okay, tension, stress. Yeah, that's what hold on, let me see.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Then again, it could kind of be compressional because if you kind of see like in the middle of the mountain how it's like it's pointing downwards.
Yeah, that's
like
what
those,
I thought.
Yeah.
Where it's like this. I mean,
Yeah. So like where on the picture that I drew on like those three like kind of like smiles lookings, you know, it looks like it might actually, now that I think about it, yeah, I think it might be more compressional stress. Because it definitely looks like it's like pushing it down.
Coming from all sides. It could.
Yeah.
If you look at like the right side of the mountain, you see how the lines go down, and then the left side, they are extending up, so you kind of get that. I think, yeah, actually.
compressional.
Yeah, because strain. Let's see if there's like.
Compression, I'm sorry.
Let's see what it says. Compressional stress. Or is it compression? Yeah. Okay. So compressional stress that squeezes a rock mass as if placed in a vice is known. Okay. Compressional stress are more often associated with convergent plate boundaries. When plates collide, earth crust is generally shortened horizontally and thickened vertically.
Oh. So, do we see that? Vertically thickened and then shortened horizontally.
Yeah, and it says over millions of years, this deformation produces mountainous terrains, and this is obviously a mountain. So yeah, I think it is compressional.
Huh.
So I did just Google it, and compressional, if this is right, it does show like a wave. Like here, I'm gonna share my screen real quick.
Okay.
Kind of looks like a smiley face.
Share. So I think you're right, because this is what, like, look what this is doing. I don't know. This is kind of what it says compressional stresses. Can you see that?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what it says. I can try to Google the other ones to see what it looks more like, but I'm okay with. I mean, look at that picture right there. That's the more realistic photo. It's pretty small.
Yeah. No, I agree.
So let's go with compressional.
Cool. Alrighty. Where's the text box?
Okay.
And then the fourth point, make observations of features of the fold that may or may not have been discussed in the text. I think a good one to discuss is what I've been searching this whole time is the ones that start with an S and an A, the
Hold on, let me see. Because they might be in chapter 8.
It's in I just found it. It's 10.4, I think.
Oh, 10.4, okay.
I think. Or 3.
Yeah, 10.3 says folds, but I'll check 10.3 really fast, yeah?
Okay.
On the book, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I'll look for it.
Oh gosh. I think it might be 10.3. How are we doing on time with everyone? Someone said they had some other, like, do you need to get going soon?
I'll have to get going soon, but I should be able. I should be able to finish it.
Okay. Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
You're
It would have been late if we began at 9, but because we were a little bit earlier, yeah, I should be okay too.
Hey guys, I have a question. When it comes to the coaching activity, this is not with this whole Google Hangouts thing. Do you guys get most of your answers from the book? Because I've had trouble finding them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it from the book too.
Coaching activity, okay.
Just make sure that you're reading the parts that he wants you to, because like this week he jumped around a bit, you know? So like, don't spend your whole time on chapter 10, because it's 10.1 through 10.5. It wasn't, and it was 8.1 and 8.3 or something.
Yeah.
Those readings though, because for last week, I mean, I got a good grade on them, but I didn't know what to read.
It's listed in the, if you go to the, what is it specifically called? Hold on a second. If you go to the content for the week, it shows what your readings are.
Oh, okay. I guess I just
all right. So I just found out it's anticlines and synoclines. That's something that you stress on the coaching activity, I feel like. So we can obviously identify there's a couple of both anticlines and synoclines.
Right. So go ahead.
Yeah, the anticline is just the one that makes the A shape, and the synocline is the one that goes the opposite.
Okay, so do we want to draw those on there? Is that what it says? Hold on, what did it say?
We looks like we drew a few. We drew a synocline right there.
Yeah.
So you could like number it and say like that's a synocline. Or am I even saying that right? How you would say it?
Do you want to do an arrow or do you want to number it?
You can do an arrow.
Well, okay, I can do that. Hold on a second. Let me just... So this is the right here.
Are you in 10.3, right, on that picture that you're taking that from?
So like, do you want to write right on the picture like this, or do you want to have it tag out to the side?
If we could tag out to the side, that'd be good.
Okay, let me just back it up really fast.
You're drawing the anticline, synocline. Is there an overturn fold?
Yeah, we could point all those out, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just start making arrows, and you guys fill in the whatever it is. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we have that one, and then we have... Also, hold on a second. You guys.
What question are we on?
So this one.
This one's the last question. The make observations.
Features of the food that may or may not have been discussed in the text.
So then we have, oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Hold on. Sorry.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Stop it. Oh my goodness. This thing. Quit. Holy smokes. Okay. Stop. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I can't get that. There we go. I don't know what happened to the arrows. Let me redo them.
Why don't you just press back, the back button?
Yeah. Okay. No, I'll just redraw them. Here we go.
Should I put something else? Anything else?
We could draw. There's a incline right there in the middle. I'm just. How do you draw again? It's just that A shape.
I was trying to figure out how to draw and I messed everything up. Let me just Here we go. You do.
Oh, scribble. There we go.
Scribble, that's right. There you go. What? No, that.
Scribble. Okay. What do I draw?
Well, sorry, I just took. I'm just drawing that. It's very ugly, but
Looks good.
It works.
there's some. You can draw an arrow to that. You can put it off to the side.
Arrow? Kind of like.
Here, I'll put the text box. Oh yeah, that works. Or
Does that work? I can add a text box right here.
wherever works.
And what was this again?
Oh, let me just draw the top. Ah,
It's anticline.
yeah. Well,
And to climb.
how do you delete a drawing? Ugh.
How do you delete a what?
I just drew on the top of our page, and I can't do backspace now.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
And to climb? Is
Yeah.
that what it is?
ANTICLINE.
Like that? Wait.
Yeah. E. Yep.
I'm going to
Sweet.
make it a little bigger.
I've been using font or size 24.
So what other questions do we have, Cecile?
That's just make more observations, but really, I mean, I feel like we made.
That's pretty much it.
Do you guys feel like
Yeah.
that's good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Make sure you put your name. I just put my name on that right side, whatever. You could start typing that. I can type all you guys' name.
Cool.
If I get it right.
Romero. ROMERO. Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
No, that's fine. I go by my middle name anyway, but fine.
Okay.
Awesome.
And yeah, for next week, for some reason, if I would just keep checking your email if you can't. So if the invite's not showing up on your Google Hangouts, just search for it on your email. I don't know why it's not working for you, Harisma, but it's weird.
So when we submit this, we just submit the link, right?
Yes.
The link and the link of the recording, the link of this shared drawing, and the link of our video.
Okay, cool.
And like always, I'll post a link to the video either on this picture or through an email. So
Okay. An email would be better just because I get the notification, but whatever is easier for you.
okay, I'll whenever I'll do it, I'll just send out a text to you guys.
Cool.
Awesome. Thanks so much, everybody.
Great. Thank you.
Bye.
See you
Have a
guys.
good week.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.